Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we will show the latest smartwatch, the Huawei GT5 and Huawei D2. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two watches come with 580 mAh and IP68 water grade. Display features. Both smartwatches come with AMOLED display. Next, compare the battery features. Huawei Watch GT5 comes with up to 14 days and 7 days of battery life, and Huawei Watch D2 comes with up to 16 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Next, compare the sensor features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.